course, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna.
Yeah.
Most important films of also Karan's, I would say, filmography. All of us, I think, we tackled a subject which was even today a topic of discussion,
Yeah.
you know. And I think it spoke a lot of things. And it's a point of view, you know, it doesn't have to be right or wrong.
Yeah.
You know, everybody has the right to live with their rights and their wrongs. But it's also not okay to judge others if they want to live the way they want to live.
I mean, the idea of normalizing what it takes to be happy.
You know, I don't think, you know, even in Kabhi Alvida, if you see the film correctly, it didn't glorify the fact that they were cheating.
No, but at the
Yeah,
end
it
of the
did.
film, each individual was better off.
Of course, they were
Yes.
better off. But when it actually happened in the film, I don't think it was, you know, glorified. They
No,
got
no, it was
punished for what they did. So it was really not saying that, okay, you must cheat and you must go on with your life. No, there are lives at stake, there are relationships at stake. And that's not how a relationship should be. Because people get into a marriage or in a relationship to make it work.
Yeah.
Nobody gets into a marriage for it to break.
Yes.
And when a marriage breaks, it's not just the two of them, it's also families that get shattered. You know, and a lot of, like, you know, emotions, like high strung emotions, people's lives get killed. And it's always the person who chooses to leave. He is probably slightly better off than the one who's been left behind because the other one didn't have a choice.